Dafne Keen is a British-Spanish actress. She was born on January 4, 2005 in Madrid, Spain. Keen is the daughter of British actor Will Keen, whose credits include playing Michael Adeane on Netflix's The Crown and Thomas Cranmer in Wolfhall. Keen's mother, Maria Fernández Ache, is a Spanish actress, writer and director. In 2020, Keen starred alongside Andy García in the comedy-drama film Anatha. Film was originally announced in 2017 but was delayed until 2020. She would also be known for portraying Ani Cruz Oliver in the TV show The Refugees and as Lyra Belacqua in HBO's His Dark Materials. In 2019, Keen was cast in the lead role of Lyra Belacqua in the BBC or HBO television adaptation of the His Dark Materials trilogy, where she co-stars along with actress Ruth Wilson. Her father is also a cast member of the series. The series has a positive reception and Keen received praise for her performance. For the role, she was nominated for a BAFTA Cymru Award for Best Actress in 2020. Growing up between the UK and Spain, Keen is fluent in both Spanish and English, a skill which helped her land the role of the preteen Latina mutant. She is co-starred with Hugh Jackman in the 2017 superhero film Logan as the mutant Laura, the child clone of Wolverine. The film opened to critical and financial success and is considered to be one of the best superhero movies of all time. Keen's performance received critical acclaim and she received several awards and nominations for her performance, which include winning an Empire Award for Best Newcomer and receiving nominations from the Chicago Film Critics Association, the Saturn Awards and more. In 2014, Keen played Ani Cruz Oliver alongside her father in the UK or Spain television series The Refugees, which ran for a single 8-episode season. The series centers on the story of the Cruz family after the arrival of a mysterious refugee with a mission that changes their lives. The show ended in 2015 after one season. She won a MTV Movie and TV Award for Best Duo with Hugh Jackman.